Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the bash scripting. Today we are going to learn about the parse command line arguments in the bash. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel. And if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. So let's get started. So basically when we try to write like something this, so here you can set the script and here we are passing the arguments here like this argument, that argument and that argument. Okay, so how we are going to fetch this argument, total number of arguments are there, what exactly it is, we are going to learn in this video. So let's get started. So first of all we have to just write this bash scripting into our test.script. Here we comment this previous code. Let's add the code over here. Okay, so here first we are checking the arguments. If it is supplied, then it will call over here, else it will exist. Okay, so here total number of arguments, all arguments passed, first argument, second argument, third argument, what exactly it is. Let's save this. Let's add the arguments over here. So here we have to add the arguments. Argument 1, argument, argument 2, argument 3. Okay, enter. So total number of arguments are 4. All arguments are passed. Argument 1, argument 2, argument 3. First argument 1, 2 and the argument. Here I mentioned, okay, here you can see the 4. It mentioned it as a 4 because argument 1, argument 2, argument and the third. Right. So fourth one I haven't printed. So if I go just write it here like this and just enter, you can see total number of arguments passed is 3. Argument 1, 2 and 3 and first, second, third argument. Okay, let's go and check this one how exactly it is. So here you can see, let's understand, dive into the code level, some basic statics. Okay, so the script, here you can see the script first check if any arguments were provided using the hash. Okay, so here you can see that hash. If no arguments are provided, dollar hash hyphen equivalent to 0, it displays a message indicating usage and exist with the status of 1. If the arguments are provided, okay, if the arguments are provided, it prints the total number of arguments using the hash and displays all the arguments with the help of at the rate, dollar at the rate, right? If then assess and displays the first three arguments with the $1, $2 and the $3. Okay, with the help of this you can achieve that one. Any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.